Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to show y'all how to make a really good, fluffy, and light omelet. It's real easy to do. What we want to do is you want to start with a good 10-inch non-stick pan with a lid. You want to get you about a tablespoon of butter or less, whatever you want to use, olive oil, whatever best suits you. I like butter. That's just what I like to use. Make sure you get it all nice and swirled around your pan. Have your oven, your stove preheated to medium low. I keep mine on like 2.6. So it's all preheated. I'm going to put the lid back on it. And our ingredients, simple. I've got 3 eggs in here, a 1/4 cup of milk. You want to break your yolks, and then you want to whisk the daylights out of it. It just takes a minute or two. That's what you want it to look like. You see how it's real foamy? That's what makes your omelets really light and fluffy. So now we're going to transfer this into our pan. It's already preheated with our butter. See how it's kind of boiling a little bit? You don't want your eggs to start frying when you pour your eggs in there. It shouldn't sizzle or anything. Look at that. Just kind of give it a little shake like that. So that's in there. Now we're going to put the lid on it and let that cook a little bit. Alright, let's take a look at this omelet. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. What I always do just to make sure it's done, stick my finger on it and make sure it comes out clean. I like my eggs done. So we're going to put this back on just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. And let me show y'all what I do to save money. I grade my own cheese because it is so much cheaper to buy block cheese than it is pre-shredded, unless it's on sale. Everything we buy is on sale because we've got to keep to a budget. So I've got 2 cheeses here. I've got a mild white cheddar and a sharp yellow cheddar. And I have grated my own. Then I usually take my block of cheese and I put it in a Ziploc, push out there, and I put it in the refrigerator and it stores for a long time. As you can see, that's quite a bit of cheese. You don't have to use it all, but I like a cheesy omelet. You don't have to be perfect. Cheese oozes out, it makes it better. Just put it all in there. You know, a trick to this is you want to get you a nice wide, thin spatula. Take your pan, move it over a little bit to where you can get that underneath your omelet. May take you a few times to get it under there. Flip it over, push it down, that way it don't flop back. And look at that, man, that is fluffy, just a little brown. Put your lid back on it, take it off the burner. Because it don't take but just a few seconds for that cheese to melt. Watch that. It just slides right out of there. Now that is an omelet right there. Alright, breakfast is ready. Now look at this, man, that is nice and fluffy. Doesn't that look good? Let me taste it and see how it come out. Man, that's yummy. Fluffy, cheesy, and buttery all at the same time. You know, this is how we cook because we're on a tight budget like most everybody else. So if you're on a budget, you have limited money, or you just like to cook, this is a quick and easy breakfast. It literally took about 30 minutes to make, and you have a better than restaurant quality breakfast that'll feed your family, and it's really delicious. So I hope y'all try this at home. Again, it's so easy to make. I'm gonna enjoy. I hope y'all do too. Thanks for joining me this morning. We'll talk to you later.